Look what we did. We posing and stuff.
Stop it!
Cut it out! Was that necessary? How old is she?
Teenager, man. We lost a big brother, a real big brother.
Right. Oh, the brother.
That's little brother?
Yeah.
Dang. Dang, what's blind guy name again? Oh.
I can't remember.
Oh. I love that. Get back here and fight.
He pissed him off with that. I ain't scared of you, nigga. That sun is up.
Yeah. I think he had to resolve to kill him for real.
Nah,
He was just gonna heal and come right back and kill everything out there.
Bruh, he was too much of a problem. And realistically, he was playing with Rengoku. He was trying to recruit him. He wasn't even going for kill shots.
He loved Rengoku though. He definitely respected him.
Oh, that was about to be his brother.
He was very impressed.
And when he was most shooketh, he couldn't pull his arm out. I just gotta leave this with you.
Yeah.
Them abs are strong. Dang. Who's this child?
I got nothing.
He taking his sweet time, ain't he?
I really want to see.
Boy creeping to the house.
What Tanjiro
He must
doing?
be about to get a whooping. I'm gonna take my time. No child of his own. Oh, he's a demon.
Yeah, he looks evil.
You have no idea.
He looked cold though.
Got some deadly eyes.
Oh, it's a demon.
That explains those cold dead eyes. Oh no!
That's what you call it, bro. Muzan.
Oh,
Oh no!
duh. He's laying low.
The blue spider lily. Right, caught a body, a big one. He is pissed still.
He is. Oh, rib shot.
Right, that ain't nothing to me.
Oh, he leaking too.
Oh, yeah, he's got the intel. Ooh.
Wow. Oh,
ooh.
It's like he saw everything,
wow, he knows
huh?
about everything.
I'm tired of your presence. Dismissed.
Dismissed.
Dang. Got his sights on Tanjiro.
What's he doing to the sword? That's how mad he was already. Spray your brain matter. Ugh. Sheesh. That's a bar right there. How did Muzan know about that though? Like he had a pro report to him, or
bro. That's what I'm saying.
Or maybe he saw it from Akaza's perspective. You know, it is his blood or something. That's why when you say his name, it's death. Oh, there he is. Gotta be. Look just like his brother.
For real. The hair tips and everything. And they both look like they daddy.
Pops. That's how you feel? Sipping that
classic.
sake.
Yo, his calf muscles look like they owe pedo.
Bro, like, kick you around the block, bro. Stop playing with him. And he's drunk and angry. He do need to get smacked, though. He was out there. Whoa. Yes. How did he know? Oh. Why is he going so hard? Calm down, you monster. Yo. It took everything to do that.
Yeah, for real.
Right. Because he's a sun breather? Oh. Where that book at? Okay. Ooh.
Wow.
So he jealous.
Oh.
I'm glad he's teaching us this.
Yeah.
Box me.
He about to get slapped.
Why are you so weak? You just getting started though, bruh. Oh, yo.
Alright, headbutt him.
Go to sleep, bro. That might sleep him.
Cause he a little drunk anyway already.
Oh, yeah.
That's how you
go to
do
the X Factor. That's a spirit bomb right there.
Yeah, man, you gotta look out for that forehead. He's still dizzy.
And ashamed of himself. Yeah. Oh, he had to go back and re-up. Hell no. My forehead pumping. Oh, God. This nigga's a mess.
Man.
He's still woozy, bro. That ain't the liquor. That's CTE. Nice.
What did it say? 21st Hashira?
Flame Hashira, something like that.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, singed? Destroyed? Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Like a little brother in the Hashira world.
Oh.
Yeah, he will.
Facts. Because he knows his father won't. Unfortunately.
Right.
Trust that. You
He's
see what
feeling
I do with
confident now. Oh.
You kill niggas with that. There it is.
Yeah, man. Gotta get that out, man.
Oh, man, he's getting tired. He's hurt. Overexerting himself. He still ain't healed up all the way.
Oh,
and he got a scrap. Oh, got the sword.
You lost your sword.
He was over there twerking, wasn't he? Cranking up the engine. Clapping them cheeks, bro. Oh, training. And they love it too. Hey, we are brolic.
Yeah.
Buff
yeah,
boys.
look at us.
Well, Inosuke's always brolic. It's crazy seeing Tanjiro and Zenitsu like this.
Especially Zenitsu.
Right. Ooh, manning up.
Ha 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 ha.
Squad.
Do what you got to do, bro.
Is this the demon and the shrine in the northwest? Nah, that's us.
I mean, he about to get him, though. He around here somewhere.
Got the ghillie suit on. I'm good.
Oh.
What was it? I couldn't see nothing. It was so dark.
I knew it looked sick like that.
Yeah.
Insect.
Running,
Oh, wow.
Jumped.
Oh.
Turn up, baby girl. Ain't no solo missions with him. You gotta see me and my sister. Trust that.
It's beyond praying mantis.
It's over.
Kill yourself.
The finisher. Ooh, the way he doubled back.
Ooh, yeah. Man, I was far. Nezuko jumped out the bottom of the box.
Yeah, definitely.
He thought he was chasing somebody. Nope.
What's happening? Who's doing him like this? Oh, the Hashira. What's he doing?
He got rank.
Well, whether or not she's gonna throw hands or go. Why is he taking them?
Oh, she's following her
Not my
heart.
girls. Yeah. She don't talk much.
Where are we trying to go
Fight,
exactly?
fight.
We're gonna jump him. Oh man,
he's
Tanjiro
feeling
be
himself.
Tripping.
He done sat down Rengoku's father.
Oh yeah, he's afraid.
Hey, he went to the ace and hold him. Get out of here. Don't headbutt them. Oh God. he was
saw
out.
it coming.
I like how he lead off with the headbutt now.
Oh, he got to still.
Lord Tengen.
Oh.
You need to calm down. Alright, nigga, it is what it is.
Maybe.
There they go with this brain matter. What's his mission?
Yeah, she just a little...
What can you do with him? Oh, man, he's unstable.
He is. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go.
Here. Are we about to jump
We're all here.
Oh, we just posing right now.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? What you want to do?
Just letting you know, we here. We can go instead of oi. Oh.
Brace yourself. Look at Tanjiro. Alright, cool. I'm glad we could work through this. Look what we did. We posing and stuff.
Stop it!
Cut it out. Was that necessary? How old is she?
Teenager, man.
This nigga need to get locked up. Kidnapping little girls and stuff.
Right.
Smacking young buns.
He is gigantic too. He's a big old dude.
With lust and desire.
Oh. We're
A
going to the
whorehouse?
whorehouse. Yes!
Oh, the red light district, bro.
It makes sense. That's why he needed a girl. Oh, God.
Where the demons at?
Yikes!
Oh, this the opening. Hey, he a Mac too. We out here. This season about to be crazy. You saw how strong Zenitsu's legs looked. I'm proud of them boys. I gotta get in the weight room.
Yeah, for real. They can do it. I can do it too. About to get back to pushing some steel.
By the time y'all see the later reactions in this show, I'm about to be swole. There's about to be a transformation. I'm glad Demon Slayer's back, man. That was fire.
Yeah, man. It was a great first episode. That's how you kick it off right there.
So we start off this season getting the aftermath of the Mugen Train arc. Tanjiro went to Rengoku's family's house. So I wonder what made the father like this. What made him hit this complete 180 like that? Because at first I thought it was mom's death, but Rengoku said he was raising him and his brother with a smile.
Right. I think he took an L out there.
He took a L that he just couldn't recover from? Probably.
Right.
Somebody died, he couldn't save somebody, and probably been blaming himself.
Like he saw something that he couldn't prevent, was powerless to stop it, ruined his life. He been a jerk for a while though. I think that's just him on every day. After
the situation happened, right. But just because it's him, you know he still love his kids. He ain't handling it right.
Had too much sake. You saying he had a lot of extra sake in him today, or is this? I think he was already like this though.
Not when he was raising the kids though. That's what I'm saying. That's why Rengoku wanted to be like his father.
But there was a point in time when little brother was talking to big brother, and big brother was telling him, "Hey man, don't worry. You do whatever you do. I'm gonna be proud of you either way."
Cause he knows Pops is looking like he's beyond saving right now. I'm just saying he ain't always been this guy. But yeah, at that point, when he told him he was a Hashira, he didn't support his dreams and stuff. I'm just saying, like, if you undergo a life-changing experience, it might change you. There's still fragments of yourself that's still there. I still believe he loves his son. That's why he broke down crying like that. But he probably ain't cried since he heard the news, except up to that point. I'm saying that person's still in there, drowning in this sake and self-guilt and stuff, and he ain't handling it the right way. He's going about it the wrong way, not talking to nobody. Don't nobody know why he's like this.
Going through a little depression right now.
Now he feel weak. That's why he thought Tanjiro was coming through to stun on him.
Hey, yeah, for real. You think I'm just some type of imitation, huh? I hated your daddy, nigga.
Right, and his granddaddy, I hate y'all. I hate y'all too strong for this world. We know that it was a sun breather that hold Muzan. That's why he hates sun breathers. He hates those earrings.
Right, yeah.
That's saying a lot considering that Muzan sits niggas down with the finger point.
Period.
Now, granted, I'm sure he's able to do that to Akaza because his blood is in Akaza. You know what I'm saying? So he controls the blood within Akaza. If I just point at you, you gonna sit down anyway because I control all of that.
That's a demon killer, though. A normal demon, they dying. They splatter into pieces, but he could take it.
Right. He was not impressed. You killed a Hashira. You supposed to kill those. You let a little nigga throw his sword at you and you ain't go back and cut his head off? You was like, I saw it, bro.
I got the whole playback.
That has to explain how he knows what's going on. He can see it through their perspective because That's how he's able to kill him whenever they say his name in public. Is he always watching? That's scary, bro. Like, what if he actually knows what all the demons are doing? And he was already mad at himself. As soon as he got stabbed, he put Tanjiro's sword in the tree.
He hit Tanjiro's sword with that muda.
Yeah, he did, bro.
Muda.
But when I see you, I'm gonna spray your brain matter. Trust that. What's up with them and brain matter? I guess that's how you talk when you reach a new level of power.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta be a Hashira or a upper to talk about somebody's brain matter and what you gonna do to it. Tanjiro was trying Tengen. Listen, unflashy nigga, something's wrong with your brain matter. How dare you talk to me like that? I take who I wanna take. Unfortunately, the brother doesn't have hands, you know what I'm saying? But he vows to help in other ways. He gonna get in these books. He's gonna help us out by trying to restore the book, cause Pops done shredded it up.
Yeah, that was just petty there, man. You don't do that, bro.
He probably did that before he went to the store to get some sake. After he got that headbutt, he woke up. This nigga wanna learn about sun breathing. Yeah, no, I'm gonna watch.
Figure it out yourself, nigga.
Hey. Yeah, I'm glad he put us on game about sun breathing. That it's the first breathing technique, and that all other breathing techniques spawn from sun breathing.
Legit.
And Tanjiro's tapping into that. It's in his bloodline. So that's how his father was staying alive, even though he had an illness or whatever, because it said that he was sickly. But he was able to maintain and extend his years, sun breathing in the cold in the wintertime. Barefoot, robe on, in the snow. And you know what's crazy? I think where he was dancing at, there wasn't no snow around him.
Oh no, it was hot in his little circle.
It's dope knowing that Tanjiro can tap in and really reach new levels. He'll really be a problem if he can master sun breathing, but it's crazy. He's a sun breather, but he uses water breathing techniques. What if he could use other ones, bro?
Yeah, he probably can, bro. He just need to learn them all like Avatar or something.
It's crazy how Tanjiro, when all else fails, headbutt somebody.
Got the antimanium plate underneath his skin in the forehead.
That dome put Pops to sleep. Huh? Pause.
Yucky. That was legendary there.
We're getting brolic. The boys are diesel out here.
6-pack abs.
Zenitsu, Tanjiro. Inosuke's always brolic. So that's not surprising to see Inosuke like this.
He just put on more bulk.
It's swole boy season. That's what I like to see right there. I'm about to go tell my kids to sit on my back. Daddy gotta do 200, y'all.
Caleb getting too big for that now.
Nana about 75 right now.
Oh, that's tough. I know Nana's tough. Yep.
I pick her up and her legs about to hit the ground still. Pretty soon you about to be holding me. Good first episode. Looking forward to the next. I'll let your boys wear out. Peace. The difference between us and scale is so vividly obvious. While in the studio, I become overage and then I start treating the beat like the mafia. You think the nearest just holler Jakartas, cause fire's proceeding from Heatah's esophagus. Me and my partners all represent Charlotte, the city that's North Carolina's metropolis. And we've been patiently waiting to display our greatness, showcasing our lyrical dominance. And